The LED gaming wall shelf from HOOBRO features vibrant LED lights with numerous color options and adjustable brightness, controllable via a convenient app, making it a stylish addition to any gaming room. With dimensions of 28.7 inches in length, 7.9 inches in width, and 29.1 inches in height, this wall-mounted shelf is designed to optimize vertical space efficiently. Constructed from high-quality engineered wood and reinforced with industrial-style metal pipes, this shelf is both durable and stable, securely attaching to walls and capable of holding up to 22 pounds. The sleek, minimalist design combined with carbon fiber panels gives this shelf a modern tech and esports flair, creating an impressive display when illuminated by its LED lights. The shelf is easy to assemble, as it includes all necessary hardware and clear instructions, making it user-friendly even for those who are less experienced with DIY projects. Ideal for various room settings, this LED gaming floating shelf combines functionality with a fashionable touch, perfectly enhancing any living room, bedroom, or study.